Hi guys, in today's video, Hidemyacc will walk you through how to use the Force Close feature. This new feature, added in version 3.1.6, lets the profile owner close a shared profile even while someone else is using it. In the Member Filter section, click on a member's email to filter and display the profiles currently running on that account. Note that the list only shows profiles that are currently open, not the member's entire profile list. Also, any accounts that aren't team members will be grouped together under Others. The Force Close button automatically appears on a profile that's in use, letting you stop the active session right away. You can force close multiple profiles at once using the Stop button. If you'd like to record a reason before executing the action, you can enter it here. When a profile is closed, the person using it will receive a notification. Every action is logged in the activity history, where you can review all past Force Close actions. You can filter by profile status, time range, profile name, profile ID, and more. To view the history of other features, just switch to the corresponding category. That wraps up this guide on how to use the Force Close feature from Hidemyacc. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Hidemyacc support team via live chat. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.